One by one, fully automatic record player review. I called it a toy, then it shut me up. Saturday afternoon, sunshine pouring in, fresh thrift haul on the table, and you still fire up Spotify because I'll set up the turntable later. Later never comes. The sleeves stay sealed, the warmth stays trapped. Type guilty if your last record purchase has been sitting there for weeks like expensive wallpaper. Tell me I'm not alone here. That dull ache when you walk past your shelf and feel the judgment of all those unplayed grooves, another weekend slips by cold and digital. But imagine one lazy press of a button and the room suddenly breathes. Warm, alive, yours again. Keep watching for 40 seconds. I'm about to hand you the fix I wish I'd found years ago. Then I stumbled onto the one-by-one fully automatic record player with built-in speakers like it was waiting for me. Picture this. I'm on the couch at 1:47 a.m., brain absolutely fried. Almost texted my girlfriend, can't do date night, drowning. Instead, I slapped on Norah Jones, hit the button, the tone arm floated down like it was scared to wake the record, and those quad 15-watt woofers and 10-watt tweeters filled the apartment with honey-thick bass and velvet vocals. 10 minutes later, I was calm, human, texting her, come over, music's perfect. This machine gives you one-touch, full automation that ends needle-drop anxiety forever. Auto-repeat that loops your soul record while you cook or cry or conquer, couch commander remote that feels like cheating, smart memory that greets you with your exact vibe every time, built-in DSP-tuned quad speakers that punch way above their class, legit AT3600L cartridge that caresses grooves instead of scratching them, plus wireless streaming when you're too tired to even walk over. It's ridiculous how free it makes you feel. Now the cascade hits. Records go from decor to daily therapy. Your apartment sounds alive instead of airplayed. Moods flip in one spin. Friends stop by just to hear that thing. And you stop apologizing for loving vinyl because it finally fits your actual life. A respected reviewer summed it up. The AT3600L cartridge alone elevates this above every suitcase player on the market. The automation is so smooth it feels like the record wants to play itself. Market analysts say automatic turntables like this are quietly taking over because they kill intimidation dead. Real user Marcus wrote, I'm a total klutz. Thought I'd ruin every album. This thing babies my records better than I ever could and sounds stupidly good through my edifiers. I was the snob judging all-in-one equals trash. Then I lived with the one-by-one fully automatic record player for a month. My $800 manual setup started gathering dust while this toy became my daily driver. Biggest objection I see is built-in speakers equals compromise. Truth. They're shockingly musical for what they are, and you've got clean RCA outs for when you inevitably upgrade. Most of us never look back. This is why Facebook vinyl groups won't stop buzzing about it right now. Comment your current turntable struggle below. I read every one. The deepest win? You stop betraying the music you love. Vinyl becomes oxygen again instead of a weekend project. Thousands of us, total beginners, burnt-out dads, even gray-haired boomers are spinning every single day without a single scratched record or a frustrated sigh. Full disclosure, I'm an affiliate because this thing genuinely changed my life. Links in the description and pinned. Click it, go look, zero pressure. If it clicks for you, life gets warmer. If not, keep scrolling, no hard feelings. Either way, hope to see you spinning soon, friend.